Hey guys, welcome to Comfycozyup. Tonight I'm going to see my friend perform in her band. So enjoy the show, subscribe, and that's it.
You might get more cuddles when the sex is lost.
How you feeling tonight?
I feel great. I feel good. I'm having fun. And the place is packed, which is good. And I'm just having That's it.
If you've gotten this far in the video, thanks for watching. Tonight was very, very special. I got to see my friend sing for the first time. I wrote a background story of their journey to the band, and it's on my blog, www.comfycozyup.com. So go check it out, and it's a real inspirational story, and it made tonight even special to see her on the stage singing and having a good time. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, thumbs it up, and have a good day. Bye.